Nutrition, the process of taking food, consuming it, and utilizing for growth and development of growth and development by an organism is called nutrition. Just now I taught to you life processes, all the biological activities that are required to sustain life, maintain life on this earth, that are known as life processes: nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion. First one is nutrition, the process of taking food, consuming it, and utilizing for growth and development by an organism is called nutrition. In earlier classes, we have studied about, we have come to know nutrients. Substances that contain energy for work are called nutrients. Such as carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, dietary fibers, and roughage. Next, a question arises: why do organisms need food? It is also a questions that have been taught in earlier classes. Organisms need food for as follows: for their work, yani organisms need food for their work. Next, it contains nutrients. It can repair their cells. It increases resistance. Is it clear? In other words, we can define nutrients: substances that provide nourishment for growth and maintenance of life are called nutrients. Mainly there are 5 nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, dietary fibers, and roughage. Next, mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. The way, method by which an organism take its food is called mode of nutrition. That means mode, that means method. The way, method by which an organism take its food is called mode of nutrition. There are 2 mode of nutrition. There are 2 mode of nutrition: autotrophic next heterotrophic. As the name suggests, auto, self, trophic, that means feeding, nourishment. Nourishment. Hetero, other. Trophic, that means nourishment, yani that is feeding. Is it clear? Further we will move definition of autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition, in which organ can make their own food by using simple inorganic substances. Or substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. As the name suggests, auto means self and trophic means nourishment. The mode of nutrition, the method of nutrition in which organism can make their own food by using simple inorganic substances. It's called autotrophic nutrition. Organic and inorganic. As I taught organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Organic substances, those substances in which carbon is present except carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonates are known as organic substance. In other words, those substances that we obtain from plants and animals that are known as organic substances. Next, that is inorganic, and those substances that we cannot obtain from plants and animals that are known as inorganic substances. Is it clear? Autotrophic nutrition. Next, autotrophic. Autotrophic is also of two types: photosynthetic, and other one is chemosynthetic. Photo, the literal meaning of photo, that is light, and synthesis, that means synthetic, that means to synthesize, to make, to prepare, to synthesize. Chemo, that means chemicals, chemical energy. Photo, that means light energy. Synthetic, to make, to prepare. Photosynthesis. As we have studied about in class 6th, 7th and 8th and even 9th, it is the ultimate process through which life sustains. The process in which green plants prepare their food using CO2, H2O with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Is it clear? As the literal meaning of photo, that means light synthesis, to synthesize, to prepare. The process in which green plants prepare their food by themselves using CO2, H2O with the help of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight. Is it clear? That is known as photosynthesis. And next, chemosynthesis. The process in which some bacteria and algae, that means some monerans and also some algae, the process in which organisms prepare their own food by using some chemicals, that is known as chemosynthesis. The process in which organisms prepare their own food using some chemicals. Examples: some bacteria and algae. So, euglena, a question arises from here. Euglena is known as dual characteristic. Why? Because euglena also contains some chlorophyll and it comes under group Protista, kingdom Protista. So sometimes it prepare their own food and sometimes it also derive foods from others. So it is known as euglena is considered as dual characteristics. Next we will move heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot bear food. Organisms cannot make their food. They take food from other organisms. It's called heterotrophic nutrition. It's called heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is of three types. Heterotrophic nutrition is of three types. First one is saprotrophic saprotrophic या saprophytic. Saprotrophic, it is also known as saprophytic. Next, parasitic. Next, holozoic. Saprotrophic, that means those organisms that derive their food, that take their food from dead and decaying organic matter. Those organisms that derive their food from dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals. Next, parasitic. Those organisms that derive their food from other organisms without killing them. Those organisms that derive their food from other organisms without killing them. That means parasites live on the surface of other organisms or inside, even inside their body. And those organisms that is kept parasites, that's known as host. Next, holozoic. The mode of those organisms that take food as a solid, that means in the complex form, that take a solid food, that is known as holozoic nutrition. Those organisms that take food as the form of solid is known as holozoic nutrition. Is it clear?